Thanks for joining us tonight. It's now been more than 24 hours since the state Supreme Court nullified the Evers administration's statewide safer at home order.
Since then, several counties and cities across the state have adopted their own order, similar to what was already in place. Here's a look at the current list. In our immediate area, Dane, Rock, and Greene counties have all issued orders. There are also several in the southeast and northeast parts of the state. State and local governments have maintained that local public health officials have the legal authority to put orders into place to help contain the coronavirus. But a UW law professor says DHS had that authority too. With that being challenged successfully, it's difficult to say what might happen if local orders are challenged.
And so we could get the same kind of legal dispute arising as to city and county orders. And so the Supreme Court's decision imposes a layer of uncertainty on top of the entire situation.
Now, when it comes to enforcing these new rules on the city and county level, Madison Police Chief Vic Wall says they will cite people or businesses if needed, but they would rather not.
We'll continue to have the same perspective and philosophy when we are called to potential violations. We're going to try to educate and look for voluntary compliance. And for the most part, over the last few months, that's what we've been receiving. But still, it is an order. It's in place, and if need be, we can issue citations.
Well, the ruling has left some businesses unsure of what they can do or what they should do. Adam Duxter spoke with Secretary Missy Hughes with the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation and joins us now with what they are telling businesses that plan on reopening. Adam?
Well, Eric, the real confusion in Rock County last night came during the 5 hours or so between the state having its safer at home order repealed and the county announcing it was going to implement a plan of its own. And tonight, business owners say they're tired, confused, and still left waiting to know when they can open in full. For Coach's Bar and Grill owner Jenny Deal, the last few months have been trying and at times frustrating.
The playing field's not necessarily fair for everybody. If you're a big box store, you can have hundreds and hundreds of people in your business, but if you're a little guy, you can't have 20.
Well, Deal says they've had support from customers carrying out. Those customers could never come inside. That is, until last night.
Made sure there was at least 2 chairs between everybody. We were distanced.
When the state Supreme Court overruled Governor Tony Evers' safer at home order. And for a moment, Coaches had customers again.
It was pretty amazing. It just felt like we were back to normal a little bit. People are laughing and talking and enjoying themselves and feeling like we were back to normal.
But at 11 o'clock last night, Deal was told no more in-person diners for the second time in 3 months, as the county said it'd be enforcing its own version of safer at home. WEDC Secretary Missy Hughes says she recognizes this can be tough for those who've been waiting.
It's frustrating because we do really want it to be done safely.
But says just because the order is gone doesn't mean coronavirus is.
For me, from the perspective of the Wisconsin economy, I'm very concerned about second, third, fourth waves of the virus.
Deal says she's willing to follow the precautions like distancing and disinfecting set forth by WEDC, but says she wants to know when she'll get the chance to do so.
I think it's just the uncertainty is what keeps you up at night and keeps you wondering, like there's no finish line. There's no date to prepare for or look forward to.
That Rock County safer at home order is set to expire on May 26th. And tonight, county board leaders are meeting to discuss possibly creating a task force that can help create new rules and regulations to help out businesses with that reopening process.